Did you know the Catholic Church once taught a phrase that shocked the world? Outside the Church, there is no salvation. Does that mean if you're not Catholic, you're automatically shut out of heaven? The answer might surprise you, and it's not what most people think. For centuries, many believed salvation was strictly tied to being Catholic. And yes, the Church has always emphasized that Jesus established one church as the ordinary path to salvation. But here's where it gets interesting. The Church also teaches that God's mercy is bigger than human boundaries. The Catechism of the Catholic Church says that those who, through no fault of their own, don't know Christ or His Church, but sincerely seek truth, live according to their conscience, and respond to God's grace, can still be saved. In short, God doesn't slam the door on people who never had the chance to fully know Him. Think about it this way. Imagine someone raised in a remote place or born into another faith tradition. If they live with love, justice, and an open heart to the truth, God sees that. Even Pope Francis once said, "The Lord has redeemed all of us, even atheists." That doesn't mean every path is the same. It means God's mercy can reach beyond what we see. So yes, Catholics believe the Church holds the fullness of truth. But that doesn't mean God abandons everyone else. This teaching isn't about lowering the importance of the Catholic faith. It is about recognizing that God's love is infinitely bigger than our walls, labels, or denominations. At the same time, Catholics are called to share their faith, not because others are automatically lost, but because the fullness of grace through Christ and the sacraments is a treasure worth sharing. So, can non-Catholics go to heaven? The Catholic Church's surprising answer is yes, through God's mercy and grace. But it also reminds us of this. Knowing Christ fully in His Church is the greatest gift we could ever receive. And maybe the real question isn't just who can go to heaven, but how each of us is living today to be ready for it.